Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps to enable the reading list icon on Google Chrome for your PC. This feature allows you to save articles and web pages to read later, making it a great tool for anyone who loves browsing the internet. First, open your Chrome browser. Make sure you have the latest version of Chrome installed, as the reading list feature is available in recent updates. If you're unsure, you can check for updates by clicking on the three dots in the top right corner, selecting Help, and then About Google Chrome. Next, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your browser window. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Now, scroll down to Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll find several categories on the left side. Look for Appearance and click on it. This section allows you to customize how Chrome looks and behaves. In the Appearance settings, look for Customize your toolbar. Here, you'll see options for different features that can be displayed in your toolbar. Finally, enable the reading list by toggling it on. You should see an option labeled Show Reading List. Make sure this is checked. Once you've done this, close the Settings tab. Now, you should see the reading list icon appear in your toolbar. Whenever you come across an article or web page that you want to save for later, simply click on the reading list icon and add it with just one click. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the reading list icon on Google Chrome. Now you can easily manage your reading materials without cluttering your bookmarks. Enjoy exploring and saving content for later reading. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.